Welcome. Today, we're walking through a quick and simple guide on how to show blocked and muted accounts in your search results on X, previously known as Twitter, using the new web update on your PC. If you've been wondering why some profiles or tweets aren't showing up in your searches, this video will help you fix that in just a few clicks. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More option from the main menu. A new list will pop up. This is where you'll find most of your advanced settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section controls nearly everything about how your account works, from security to content preferences. Now, click on Privacy and Safety. It's the area that lets you manage what you see, who can interact with you, and how your searches behave. Under Privacy and Safety, go to Content You See. This is where X personalizes what appears in your feed and search results. Once you're there, scroll down and find Search Settings. This is the key part of today's update. Inside Search Settings, you'll notice a checkbox that says Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. If that box is checked, it means X is automatically hiding any accounts you've blocked or muted from your search results. To make them visible again, simply uncheck that box. Once you uncheck it, your changes are automatically saved. Now, when you search on X, you'll be able to see results that include blocked or muted accounts, just like before. That's it, you've successfully adjusted your search settings. This small tweak gives more control over what appears in your searches, which can be especially useful if you're managing multiple accounts or tracking public discussions. Thanks for watching.